everybody, welcome to Cooking with Claire. I am Claire Olson, the Senior Corporate Chef at Newly Weds Foods, and this month we are talking potatoes and recipes with potatoes. Did you know that there are literally thousands of varieties of potatoes? I'm not talking 1,000 or 2,000, but over 5,000 different varieties of potatoes in the world. In addition, there are very few cuisines around the world that do not utilize potatoes in their cuisine. So it's safe to say that narrowing down just a couple recipes for you this month was a little bit of a challenge. But don't worry, we chose recipes that had potatoes in them that are very accessible to you. The first recipe that we've put together for you today is really fun, very easy, super delicious, and it battles the problem of food waste. They are potato skin chips. We took regular russet potatoes, gave them a good scrub, peeled them, tossed those skins with just a little bit of salt, pepper, and olive oil, and roasted them off in the oven for about a half hour. Here, we're serving them with the Newly Weds Foods Ranchero dipping sauce. Super delicious, very easy, and this would make a perfect garnish for any sort of dish or a wonderful appetizer for, say, Thanksgiving, when you have all those leftover skins when you're making your homemade mashed potatoes. The next recipe that we put together for you today is a sun-dried tomato, spinach, and feta quiche with a sweet potato crust. We sliced our sweet potatoes nice and thin, layered them in a pan, roasted them off, added our filling with a Newly Weds Bloody Mary seasoning. This would make the perfect brunch recipe, and truly, it's very customizable. You could add anything inside that quiche that your heart desires. For our next recipe, we decided to go back to our culinary school basics. We put together a vichyssoise recipe for you. In French, that is translated to cream of potato and leek soup. Very simple ingredients, very fresh, and super delicious. We finished it off with just a touch of heavy cream, and we added a Newly Weds Foods Moroccan seasoning to give it just a touch of an ethnic kick. And finally, for dessert, the team and I put together a sweet potato bread with pecans. However, for this recipe, we decided to utilize canned sweet potatoes as opposed to fresh. You can do either or. Either way, it's going to come out delicious. We added a Newly Weds Foods warm cinnamon spice seasoning, and truly, this bread is delicious no matter the weather outside. We hope that you enjoyed the potato recipes that we put together for you today. As you can see, potatoes are very versatile. Appetizers, main course, breakfast, brunch, and even dessert. If you have any questions about any of these products, please feel free to reach out. Like our video if you wouldn't mind. And what is your favorite potato recipe? I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you guys next time.